you're going to want to break. She says that just once a week, but she feels she wants to. I don't blame her. I think she should do it every other. You never sees the grandchildren. And the other grandchildren. No, you don't see them. You don't see them.
Must be up here, or are they down in Phoenix?
Yeah, you didn't know who it was either, did you?
Well, then I said,
Who wrote that?
Old pictures.
oh,
I want to see those. Look at those old pictures.
Oh my goodness.
You know who this is?
Going back. No.
Yeah, and this is Auntie Mariam. That's
Who are these people here?
What's her name? What's her name?
this was her daughter Mary. Yeah,
We gotta know
and this
some
is
of these down here.
This is Brahim.
Brahim.
All right, George. That's Yvonne.
That's my
her
father.
dad.
Oh my
Who's
God.
Somebody we
Okay,
gotta know.
now see if I can
Those
remember.
are the names.
This is the Adde kids. That's her two children in
this? Oh
Boston.
yeah, Charlie and Alice.
Who is this?
Listen to
I don't know, but she's darling.
Oh my.
Ted Nino. He's in California. She
Yeah.
died.
We just saw him. Oh,
Louise.
well, Louise wasn't there. George was. What a beautiful home. What a beautiful. And this is.
You're a Teddy brother.
You know who they made here in Sedona?
Do you believe that?
Oh my! You found those pictures?
That they love you.
What's it,
Eddie
Eddie?
Corey?
He says, Lou, he says, my wife is still talking about that.
Anyway.
And Kay
Yeah.
had her black robe on and it covered her eyes. And I came in when it says here, Lou and Kay, Allah Akbar. And, you know, like I say, I have that appointment done. I mean,
You go to Louise. You three.
the AU.
As soon as you heard Fountain Hills, though, you knew it was.
Yeah, when he said Fountain Hill, then it hit me.
And when he kept talking like that, I said, Lorraine, is he kidding? Then he's fine, keep it on. Because that's what's going to get you through. Where do you keep your car? In the garage? The new one? That old one?
No,
Unless I had a garage, because this is restricted area. So we built a big garage over there. Catherine, she's 11. She's up in Canada to a religious school.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's the fire station right over there.
Did you want to see if I could go?
Yeah,
I
we
saw it
saw
from
it.
here.
Yeah.